Guys, I'ma try get Kraken. Nobody's here. Let's go. Very good, very good. Nobody's here. Let's try and get Kraken, guys. This is my only chance. Please, I have your best. I have your bait. Kraken, please. I'm gonna use sandal. There we go. I think no one has gotten here before the Kraken room. I think nobody has gotten to the Kraken room yet. But let's just get it. Please. Please let me get that Kraken. Please, I'm begging. Like, this was so hard to... Let's go, let's go, let's go! Oh, it's a shiny too, guys! Oh, guys! Oh my god, it's the Kraken! It's the Kraken! Oh! Imagine if this was an ancient. That would just like be the 95 progress speed minus. Oh my god. Oh. Please, Lord, please! No! Yes. Sure, fine. No! That distracted me. No. Please. I'm begging. Give me this Kraken. Give me the Kraken. Oh, someone is fishing here too. Oh. Just give me the Kraken, please. Please. Oh, I'm begging. Lord, please. Please. Bless me with the shiny Asian Kraken. Please. Oh. Almost there. Almost there. Oh, no. Please. Lord, please. Oh. Almost there. Okay. Let's go! I got it, guys. The animation, let's go. Boom. The animation is so cool. Let's go, my first Kraken. Let's go. Guys, look. Look at the Kraken. Oh, it's a sparkling Kraken. Yo! It's a sparkling Kraken, guys. Yay! We got my first Kraken. Let me see. Yay! We got my first Kraken. Yay! That was cool. So, bye guys.